Hola, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today you will learn some basic Spanish phrases for your travels. Like when you are in a restaurant ordering food, or maybe you ask for directions, or even if you meet new people. So let's get started. So, like I said, we will have some basic Spanish phrases for travelers. And our first topic is how to greet and maybe to be a little bit more polite. Okay, when you see somebody, you can say in Spanish, hola, no? Hello, hola. When it's a little bit more formal, no, because hola works for almost every situation, but when you have a little bit more formal situation, you say in the morning, buenos días, buenos días. In the afternoon, you would say buenas tardes, buenas tardes. And when it's in the evening or at night, you say buenas noches, buenas noches. No? Maybe you're asking you why we have the exclamation mark upside down in the front. That's one thing in Spanish. It introduces that we know this is this kind of sentence. Okay? So just as a quick explanation. When you say goodbye in Spanish, you say adios. Okay? Adios. No? Maybe also you could say ciao, but adios, it's a nice one. And then that everything sounds a little bit more nicer, okay? You can use, or you should use, por favor, no? Please, por favor, no? And then gracias, gracias. And the other person would say de nada, no? You're welcome. And then when you like to get some attention or you want to talk to somebody, you just say perdón, perdón, okay? So that's the basic greetings and to sound a little bit more polite. So don't forget to use por favor in gracias y de nada. Okay. Next one. How to introduce yourself. Okay. You could say me llamo Marcus. No, in my case, my name is Marcus. No, me llamo Marcus. Soy de Alemania. No, soy de Alemania. I'm from Germany. No, soy de Alemania. And then maybe if you don't speak yet good Spanish, no, you could say hablo un poco de español. Hablo un poco de español. So that means I speak a little Spanish so that people understand that you are learning, okay, and then maybe they speak to you a little bit slower. Okay, this is a nice way to introduce yourself and to get the first contact with somebody. Okay, let's see the next one. So now we ask for directions. So you could say, ¿Dónde está? And then you just put the place, no, where you're looking for. No? For example, ¿Dónde está el supermercado? Okay? ¿Dónde está el supermercado? No? Or you could say, ¿Cómo llego al supermercado? No? Here we have al, it gets al, no? But ¿Cómo llego a? No? Is the thing what you need to remember, and then you just add what you are looking for. No? So, ¿cómo llego al supermercado? Or ¿cómo llego al hotel? And when you really don't know where you are, you just say, if you are a man, you would say, estoy perdido. Estoy perdido. If you are a woman, you would say, estoy perdida. Estoy perdida. No? So the ending, no, shows you if a man or a woman is talking. So, and then you can ask a person, if you need help, you just say, ¿Puede ayudarme? ¿Puede ayudarme? No? So can you help me? So that's the basic sentences when you ask for directions. So get to the next topic. So now we order food and drinks. Okay. Really important word, quisiera. No? So I would like, quisiera. And then actually you can add whatever you want. No? For example, quisiera la carta, por favor. No? Don't forget to use por favor. No? It sounds even nicer. Okay? La carta is the menu. No? So you go there. Quisiera la carta, por favor. And then you just order what you need. For example, quisiera un agua, por favor. No? A water, please. Un agua, por favor. And in the end, no, you need to pay, and then you just say la cuenta, por favor. La cuenta, por favor. No? And that's it. No? That's maybe the basic things what you need for a restaurant. No? The names of the food and the drinks maybe you get from the menu. Okay, cool. So let's get to the next one. So now you go shopping and maybe you want to know how much is something. Okay? In Spanish you would say ¿cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Okay? So how much does it cost? And you see also the question mark is also upside down in the beginning because it introduces in Spanish the question. So that's quite particular in Spanish. Okay. And then maybe you want to know if there's another size, no? So you say ¿tienen otra talla? ¿Tienen otra talla? And that's for me the most important one. If you just go somewhere and just want to look around, you would say solo estoy mirando, gracias. Solo estoy mirando, gracias. Okay, quite important one. Okay, let's see our next one. Okay, if you have an emergency and you need some help, just say ayuda, ayuda, no? So help. And if you need a doctor, you could say necesito un médico. Necesito un médico. And when you are hurt, you can say estoy herido when you are man, and estoy herida when you are a girl. No, be careful because in the H sound in Spanish it's silent, so it's herida or herido. No, estoy herido, estoy herida. And when you want that somebody calls the police, you could say llamen a la policía, llamen a la policía. Okay, and then somebody will call the police. Okay. So yeah, that's actually the most basic Spanish phrases for your travel. Okay, so now you know a little bit maybe how to order food and maybe get some directions or just to introduce yourself. No, in this way your trip will be much more fun and much smoother and even more interesting. So please let me know what's your favorite phrase and leave it in the comments. And also don't forget to like my video and to subscribe to my channel. Okay. And yeah, that's all for today. And if you want to improve your Spanish even more, don't forget my free Spanish course on YouTube, or for more stuff, my website. The link you will find over here in the right corner. Okay, and also in the descriptions I leave you all the links there, and so you can get to my free course on YouTube and also to my website. So thank you very much for watching and happy travels.